to be talking about how to easily set up the advertising so that you get credit for any visitors that come to your website and click on one of the ads. We currently use Google Adsense to serve up relevant ads to our blog posts, but you can use any advertising platform you want. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily sign up for a free Google Adsense account and copy and paste the needed information so that you get credit for those clicks. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is create a free Google Adsense account if you don't already have one, and you can do that by going to google.com/AdSense. Since we already have an account, we're going to go ahead and sign into that. And essentially what Google AdSense is a block of code that you can copy and paste and put on your website, and it will serve up relevant ads that advertisers are paying to promote. When a click is made on one of those ads, Google accrues revenue, and they share that with you because the click is being generated from your website. So once we log into our new account, what we can do is click on the My Ads tab up at the top, and we're going to want to create a new ad unit. And we're going to go ahead and name this Los Angeles Times 728, because that's going to be the dimension of this ad unit. Ad size, as you can see, the 728 by 90, because we're going to want an ad unit that matches this. And where it says backup ads show blank space, you can go ahead and show ads from other URLs, or you can fill the space with a solid color. We're just going to go ahead and leave it blank. For the custom channel, you can go ahead and create your own custom channel, and we'll go ahead and create Los Angeles Times. And the reason that we're doing that is because we want to be able to show this channel to prospective advertisers so that they can directly advertise on our website. It's a way to really increase the amount of advertisers and the amount of revenue your website is going to make. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste our URL into this field right here. And we're going to go ahead and put top center because that's where the ad is going to be located. And we're going to go ahead and provide a brief description so advertisers know a little bit more about what they are targeting when they utilize our website to advertise on. What this description is going to do is tell advertisers why they should advertise on our site specifically, but you don't need to build up advertisers with Google AdSense. By default, there are literally hundreds of thousands of companies whose ads will be showing on your website almost immediately. Now, after we've completed that, we're just going to click Save, and we're going to go ahead and leave the rest of the options the same, and we're going to click Save and Get Code. So we're going to go ahead and click in the box and copy this ad code right here. And now we're going to want to go back to our website. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to log in. And that's going to bring us back to our dashboard. Now the section that we're going to want to go into is the ad configuration. Over here on the left hand side, we're going to click on this tab. And to configure this advertising, all we're going to need to do is paste that code that we just copied into this box right here and click Save Changes. Now, even though you don't see your ad code here, it is implemented, and we can go ahead and prove that to you real quick. I'm going to go ahead and type "this is a test," and we'll go ahead and save these changes. Now, when I come back out here to the website, as you can see, we've got our ad right here. If I hit refresh, and you might have to hit refresh 1 or 2 times, but now you can see this message, "This is a test." So we're going to go ahead and go back here, and one little caveat that I forgot to mention is you may want to put the HTML code to center the advertisement. So we're going to go ahead and put center, and then you've got to do a bracket /center to close that out, and we'll go ahead and click Save Changes. And what this is essentially doing is it's rotating between showing our ads and showing your ads. So 50% of the time it's going to show our ads, 50% of the time it's going to show your ads, essentially giving us an even split of the ad revenue. Now, the reason we have done it this way is because you don't have to use Google AdSense. If you've got another advertising platform that you utilize, you can use that code. Or if you've got your own image banner and you want to advertise another business that you own, you can do that as well. You would just simply enter that HTML code or your advertising code right here into this box. Now, the other ad unit that we want to talk about is the one located in the sidebar here, this one right here. You as the website owner get 100% of any clicks made on these ads, but we are going to have to configure it just like we did the one up here at the top. And the way that we do that is by heading back over to our dashboard, and we're going to hover over Website Settings, Sidebar, and then we're going to click on Sidebar Footer. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up what are called the widgets that are in the default sidebar, which we can see right here. So the ad unit is going to be in this text widget right here that's labeled supporters. And as we can see, we've got our Google code right here. Now we can actually move these around. So say we wanted that ad to pop up higher on the page so it had a better chance of being clicked on. We would just drag it up here, and if we now go back to this post and hit refresh, as we can see, this ad unit is higher up on the page. Now, to change this code so that you get credit for any clicks, you're going to need to head back over to Google AdSense, and we're going to need to create a new ad unit. And we're going to name this ad unit Los Angeles times 250, because that is the width that we are going to use. We're going to scroll down to the 250 by 250 square. We're just going to do display ads for this one, and we're going to go ahead and select our targetable custom channel that we created in the previous ad unit, and then we're just going to click save and get code. And just like the last time, we're going to copy this code. We're going to head back over to our dashboard, open up this text widget, and we're going to copy the code right here, and we're going to replace it, and then we just simply click save. Now if we come back out here to our website, it's going to look the same, but whenever there's a click, you will now be getting credit for it in your Google AdSense account. To check your revenue, you'll just come back out to Google AdSense and click on Performance Reports, and you'll see all your statistics for clicks generated through your website. So guys, that's going to do it for this tutorial. It's a very easy setup, and once you have it set up, you can just let it run. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial, and look forward to seeing you at the next one.